Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed could transform your health and energy levels dramatically? Chia seeds, often called the miracle seed, have been celebrated for centuries due to their incredible nutritional profile and benefits for overall well-being. These small but mighty seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, and protein, making them an essential addition to any diet. One of the most remarkable properties of chia seeds is their ability to expand when soaked in liquid, forming a gel-like texture that promotes satiety. This means you feel full for longer periods, which can help in weight management and reduce unhealthy snacking throughout the day. Incorporating chia into your daily routine is effortless. You can sprinkle them over salads, mix them into smoothies, add them to oatmeal, or even use them as a natural egg substitute in baking. Beyond promoting fullness, chia seeds support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Their high fiber content also aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts use chia seeds as a natural energy booster because they provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Chia seeds are also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health, especially for those who may not consume enough dairy. Additionally, the antioxidants present in chia help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting skin health. For those with busy lifestyles, chia seeds are a convenient option because they require minimal preparation and can be stored easily. Studies even suggest that regular consumption of chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to prevent it. Whether you are seeking improved digestion, weight management, heart support, or simply an energy boost, chia seeds provide a natural solution without the need for supplements or complex meal plans. Their versatility in both sweet and savory dishes ensures you never get bored while integrating them into your diet. As more people discover the benefits of this superfood, chia seeds continue to gain popularity among health-conscious individuals worldwide. So, if you are looking to enhance your nutrition, boost energy, and enjoy a sense of lasting fullness, consider making chia seeds a regular part of your meals. Small, simple, and powerful. These seeds might just be the dietary game-changer you've been searching for. Don't underestimate their size. Chia seeds truly pack a punch when it comes to health benefits and vitality.
We would like to share with you the importance of our channel and the impact it has had on many people's lives. With the support of our community, we have been able to provide content that inspires, informs, and helps those who need it most. However, to continue growing and expanding our reach, we need your collaboration. Your contribution, whether small or large, makes all the difference in keeping this project alive and accessible to everyone. By supporting the channel, you become a direct part of this positive movement, helping to transform lives. We count on you so that together we can continue spreading knowledge, hope, and motivation. Contribute, share, and join us in this mission.